Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a hand cricket game inside React.js with scorecard and music as well. So this actually we are running it on localhost 8080. It's a React hand cricket multiplayer game with the scorecard and music. So here you can play with a single player or two players. So once you select the game mode, the interface looks something like this. It's entirely coded inside React.js. So first of all, you will play with the player one with the computer. You will see it will match with the score and the computer score. So if it doesn't match, you will score these much of runs. Again you will score. You will see the score will simply update here, whatever is your score. So from these six choices you need to select your hand. So this is the actual logic of the hand cricket game. So once the score matches with the computer bot, then you are out. So if you need the source code of this, you would directly purchase the source code. I've given the link in the description of the video. So once you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So once it matches the score, you will get out. Now the player 2 will play. So they need to chase this much of runs, 33. So again, so on the very first ball, we are out. So as you can see, player 1 wins. So in this easy way, you can see all the sounds, scorecard is all there here. So if I show you the actual directory structure of the actual project here, you will see this is actually the package.json file. So we are using actually the latest version of React here. This is actually the full directory structure. It's all the files are customizable. It's all coded in TypeScript. So you will be able to actually add more features on top of this project as well. So each and every component, as you see, it's coded directly inside TypeScript. So we are running this project locally npm run dev. So you can easily deploy this project as well. All these commands are given npm run build. So this will build out and the entire project, and you can easily deploy this by purchasing a domain name. So you can also play with a single player as well. So you're playing with a computer AI bot here. So you select a bunch of choices. So quite a number of animations are also added. Scorecard, music, everything is added. It's completely responsive as well. So it also looks great on mobile devices as well. So you can easily purchase a domain name and easily can deploy this. And you can easily play with a multiplayer game as well. You can also play with two players as well. So now the player one will play, you will see. So I written the logic from scratch. Each and every file is customizable. So player two wins here, you will see. It's a hand cricket game which is really popular. Many players play it. All the functions, components, as you can see, is divided. Hand cricket, mode selection, result display, scorecard. Everything is customizable. So if you like this project, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. You will get the zip file automatically from Google Drive, where you will be able to edit this project and run this as well. So quite a number of third-party packages we have also used of React.js for actually building this. So we have also used Tailwind CSS as well for actually building out this hand cricket game. So you can see that. So these animations which you see, the music is also added. So you're playing with a computer as well, or you can play with a multiplayer two-player game as well. So can see that. So it's a fully fleshed game here, coded from scratch in React.js. These are the actual scripts here for running this as a locally you will run this script npm run dev. Once you purchase it, simply run this command npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. If you want to deploy this, you run this command npm run build. So this will build out the entire project. So let me show you. So if you want to deploy this, you run this command after making all the changes or adding. So you will see that it's now building it for production here. So once the command completes, you will be able to deploy this project. So it will create this dist folder. So once it completes, you will see now it has successfully built out this actual game here and created this dist folder, and now you can easily deploy this as a static web application hand cricket game by purchasing a domain name and simply deploying this as a static offline kind of a web application. So it directly runs, all the processing directly happens in the browser, so there is no backend to this. So it's a single static kind of a application which directly runs in the browser. So definitely purchase this.